DJI NEO 2 is proven to be one of the most user-friendly and convenient drones ever made by DJI. Its AI tracking and quickshot can be activated with just a press of a button.
Follow, selfie shot, drone, circle, rocket.
However, there is something missing from its shortcut that could be very useful for your daily plans. When you use the drone, you have the following options to choose from: follow, rocket, selfie shot, drone, and circle. These are the default options, but something is missing. My favorite mode, spotlight.
What exactly is a spotlight? The spotlights allows you to get third-person camera style footage, like having a cameraman that always keeps you in frame while you walk, run, or move around.
If I want to add spotlight to my drone's quickshot selections, all I need to do are as follows. First up, I have to turn on the drone and connect it to the phone using Fly Up. And then I will go to the settings and tap that customize modes. Below the shooting modes, there is a list of quickshots that you can add. To add the spotlight, simply long press it and then drag it to the top.
After that, you can check the drone to see if the new feature has been added. Simply press the left button on the drone.
Spotlight.
As you will notice, the spotlight is already activated without needing to restart the drone, and it is available instantly.
By default, we have 5 quickshots that are selected to show up on the drone, but you can adjust it to include all your favorites.
Selfie shot, drone, circle, rocket, spotlight, dolly zoom, master shots, cycling follow, skiing follow, helix, boomerang, follow.
I removed the skiing follow mode from the list of the drone shortcut because we do not have that activity or sport here in the Philippines. I kept the one I found useful because it allows me to take various shots without using my phone or any controller. And I think this is it for today's video, and if you like this kind of content, well, don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. Just me, you, mga kadabong.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy.